Hello viewers, welcome to my new video. In this video I am going to talk about something special, and that is the importance of learning English. Who does not know the importance of learning English? As an international language, English has a great appeal everywhere. Around the world, most of the people want to learn English as a second language if it is not their first language. But most of the people do not want to invest here. If you want to learn English, you have to invest here. First of all, you have to spend money, and second, you have to spend time. As a beginner, many people spend money to purchase different kinds of books because they want to learn English, but they do not spend time. As a human being, they involve themselves doing daily life activities, but they don't know they are not investing for themselves. Sometimes doing our activities, especially daily activities, we have to spend time for ourselves. We need to give time for ourselves. This time will profit in next life. Whatever, people are very clever. They want to learn English within a short time, but it's not a cup of tea. It is not an easy task to learn English within a short time. If you really want to learn English, you have to spend time, maximum 1 year and minimum 6 months. You have to follow some rules and regulations. Definitely, you have to read daily, you have to listen podcast, music, movies daily. You have to read English daily, and you have to speak with a partner daily. These 4 things will help you definitely, gradually but definitely. English is very interesting language. If you spend time here, you will be gainer very soon. Many people learn English to acquire different type of knowledge. Especially they want to acquire skill. They want to learn different skill using English language. Around the world, there are many skills that is taught by English, but people don't know how to read and how to understand English language very clearly. As a result, they don't know how to acquire the knowledge. They are always try to learn the skill without learning English language. First of all, if a person learn English very carefully, then the person can learn the specific skill very easily, because as I said before, many important skills are taught in English. So you can now realize that how important English is to know. It's very important, and I think you will do it. I mean, you will learn English fast before learning another new skill. It will help you. It will give you much opportunity. Thank you so much listening me. Bye bye.